Toenail fungus is characterized by inflammation, thickening, swelling, yellowing, and pain of the toenail and toe. Another symptom is crumbling of the toenail. The fungus tends to thrive under certain conditions such as abnormal pH levels of the skin, a weakened immune system, continuous exposure to a moist environment including sweaty shoes and socks, poor hygiene, and diabetes. If left untreated, toenail fungus can cause cracking, splitting, and even complete loss of the toenail. Here are the top 4 ways to get rid of toenail fungus. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is mildly acidic and can help prevent toenail fungus from spreading. At the same time, it kills bacteria and fungi. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Soak your toenail in this solution for 30 minutes daily. When done, dry your toenail thoroughly. When used daily for a few weeks, you will notice improvement very quickly. Number 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiseptic as well as antifungal properties that help a lot in the treatment of toenail fungus. This oil is also used to treat other kinds of skin infections. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil in 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Use a cotton ball to apply the mixture on the affected area. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then use a toothbrush to gently scrub the affected nail. Do this 2 to 3 times daily until you are satisfied with the results. Number 3. Listerine mouthwash. Listerine mouthwash, which kills bacteria and germs in the mouth, can also be used to treat toenail fungus. The mouthwash has several compounds as well as alcohol that act as a strong antiseptic to keep away harmful bacteria and fungi. Fill a small tub with Listerine mouthwash or a combination of equal parts of Listerine and white vinegar. Soak the affected foot in this solution for about 30 minutes and then scrub the infected toenail gently. Rinse it off and dry the affected area thoroughly. Repeat this remedy once or twice daily until the infection clears. Number 4. White vinegar. White vinegar is one of the best ingredients for treating toenail fungus because it fights the infection and helps restore the skin's pH. Mix 1 part of white vinegar with 2 parts of warm water. Soak the affected toenail in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off and dry the affected area thoroughly. Repeat twice daily until the fungus is gone. If your skin becomes irritated, add more water to the solution and repeat the process every other day instead of daily.